What a nice day. What wait, where am I? What am I doing here? Are you ready? What do you mean I'm ready? No, so I've never run. Yes. So I've never this game before, and as you can see, you know. You want one? But I'm done. Okay, where's your bedroom? Mr. Beast, what have you done, you little beast? Oh my god, I'm so sorry, I did not mean that. Mr. Beast, you're such a little beast. You're such a little beast. That was a joke, I'm not outside the circle. What do you mean? I'm busy. Huh? Yes, I've never played this game in my entire life again. This game is so stupid. I wish I never played it in my entire life because of this. I know I never wanted to do the game again. Minecraft is better than Roblox. The look is not. No, particular. No. This game is better than. What the hell? What the hell? Sometimes when I join the game, he just like doing a T-pose and he has to load. I love the T-pose. There's a box. Don't copy my video. And don't copy my thumbnail. If you do, I will come to your house and just... under. Yeah. I'm so sorry. What the hell did I just witness? What should I play? The girls have something for you. I will check it out in the game. Welcome. Hey, natural disasters is not Doge has something for you. Give me a Doge. Doji. Can I have cheeseburger shoes? Oh my god, I'm so fast. Oh my god, what is going on? Oh my god, Castle Quick Shop. That is not even in the game. Oh, this is the Castle Shop? It was never... Bro, I'm so fast. Meow, 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 meow. This is so fun. I love this game. Oh, I'm gonna die. What? Do you not take 4 damage in this game? Bro, okay, you do take. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Touch the sky. I made it. What? This jump is... Oh my. Oh, anyone? How did I die when I was literally in the air? There's no way that could happen. I will make it. I have enough momentum. No. By the way, I actually said something. You guys probably didn't understand me. But if you do, you're not a human. You're such a naughty man. You're so sweet, man. Little boy. By the way, it's pronounced vital void. It's not pronounced vital, okay? I promise you it's not pronounced vital. Yes, and then I gotta put some red here. And then oh my god, I couldn't make it. Give me that. Happy birthday. No, I do not see it. I do not. Yeah, and yeah, okay. I will call you. You stick or you. I'll control you. No. Is it there?
Don't make video here. Do video here. I told you don't make video here. Hey.
The same as before.
You're my hand.
You want the other one?
Give us a hand. The other one is hand.
Yeah, I know.
Where is it?
Well done, George! I made it.
I see my hand.
I will leave the game. 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 I will go down. I will go to developer. I joined the group even though I already nothing but he's so cool. Oh yeah. What's up? How much do I need to do? Yes.
Don't jump on the bed.
Okay. Yummy apple. Yeah, okay. This fruit that you can actually get up here with the bricks, which is normally impossible. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm in front of everybody. I'm in front of. Wait. Oh my god. I'm gonna be the second. Let's go. I'm the second one. Hello. 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 I will make sure. Careful, I'm the second one, careful. Why does it say I'm the first one to relate it? Let's go! I made it and you didn't know. Okay, I just need enough time. What? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Bro, I'm pressing it right here. Oh, take it down. I need to get this speed. Oh no! I almost made it. Guys, you know how old I am. I'm just, not that old. What? No, I forgot. I'm just years old. Yeah. No. Oh my god, I forgot again. I am just, yeah, this is how old I am. Yeah. Don't the brain you are made. Gonna boy you get to the finish line. Get to the finish line. Get to the finish line. Get to the get to the finish line. You know the finish line. Where's everybody? I'm not the only one, bruh. You guys all hate me. No. I want my speed. I want my. What? I hate this game. I never play it again in my entire life. I'm so bad. I'm crying. So sad. I'm so stupid. What was that? I am back from my fatiguing. You are bored. You will not believe. Okay, I'm bored. Die. I'm definitely doing a speed run next. This is. I'm gonna do. Three, 2, 1. speedrun. I feel like this song reminds me of something, but I can't remember. Like, I'm not even joking. Comment down below, please. I'm begging you. I forgot the name of the song, okay? Okay. I'm in the middle of something. I'm in the middle of something. Are you? Do you think just like when I switch accounts, like yes, the same as before? No, I'm just. Are you? I made a new name and it is V2 underscore void, and then you need to make all the letters big and write cool, and then you need to click on the one that is looking like blue. You want me to send you a picture? Void, and then after you need to write cool but in all big letters. What? Too little. Anyways, it's no, not V2 void underscore people. V2 underscore. This is like what I hate. You need to write V2, then underscore, then void, and then you need to make all big letters cool, but without, without. You want with the blue skin, and the. What? What is? Okay, it was your mic to another video. Bye.
Mine is auto.